Hello everyone, Steve Stack out here at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, Canfield, Ohio. It's September in Northeast Ohio, and we know what that is. It's time for our annual Red, White, and True event every September, normally the last weekend or the weekend prior to, and this year it's the September 24th, 25th, and 26th, and we're out here today. We're going to do our virtual tour again this year. We're going to add some new stuff into it. We're going to go back into the door department. We're going to talk to the guys in the door department, the molding department, maybe see some countertops being assembled, put together. But we're going to try and get you as up close and personal to some of our guys and let you see what we do out here at Baird Brothers. You know, it's our would have been our 10th year with our Red, White, and True. Unfortunately, it will not be an on-site event, and but you know what? We're making the best of it, and we're still going to have some nice offerings for you folks. So let's take a little walk, get back into the shop, and see what produces all this sawdust, okay? Let's go see if we can find some doors being put together. Okay, folks, we find ourselves right outside our finish shop, our finish mill shop. We're gonna step inside, and we're gonna try and catch up to a couple of the guys, you know, some of those craftsmen that we have out here at Baird Brothers. We have a lot of automation as far as our equipment goes, but there's still a lot of hands-on, human hands, human eyes, and putting our quality products together. So let's take a peek inside and see who we can run into. JR.
Yes, sir.
Hey, sorry to interrupt, but guess what? I'm going around today, and we're putting a piece together, you know, like we do every year for Red, White, and True.
Right.
Unfortunately, it's going to be off-site, the virtual thing, but I saw you putting together this beautiful cherry door, right? One of hundreds of custom door options that we have.
Right.
The different species, the different sticking, the panel configurations. Take us through the process. I mean, I know you've got support guys that are building the pieces and parts.
Right.
Then you're the hands and eyes putting them together and making sure everything is just right. Take us through. Tell us what the guys are doing.
Well, Sam down here, for instance, once the material gets sized, he's putting the coped ends and the profile on them. We'll back up to even before that.
You know what? You hit a key phrase there. Pick that piece up, and you mentioned the coped end.
This is the coped end, which fits the profile on the rail, or on the style rather.
All right, and there's a lot of strength generated there.
Oh, yeah, you have a lot of glue surface, not just the pins that go in it, but you have a lot of surface there.
Yeah, very good, very good. So once the door components come to you, you go through the assembly process that you're doing right now.
Bore the holes, put all the spacers in, and hopefully I can jump into spreading some glue.
You know, so we do, and I'm standing here looking around, we do our, you know, the renowned 6-panel door, you know, the old Cross and Bible door.
Right.
And we do those, and we like building those. But I'm seeing a custom louver door unit that you're working on. Out of red oak.
Red oak.
And then the cherry door that you're working on behind me. So it's a matter of people coming to us with their wish list.
Whatever you like.
Right?
That's
right. Glass options, all kind of different glass options.
Right.
We do the passage doors, the pocket doors, the sliding barn doors are popular.
6, 8, 7 foot, 8 foot, inch and 3/8, inch and 3/4, 2 1/4.
Hey, you know what? And it all comes down to the eyes, the hands, putting them together. It'll leave you. It'll go through a sizing operation, then through a sander.
Right.
If it goes to a pre-hung unit, it'll go over to our pre-hung shop and ready to go to the job site. Make somebody a beautiful product, huh?
That's what we're after.
All right, thank you, JR.
Have a great day.